同学们好，我们今天要看到的是 Lesson 2 Part 1 Grammar 和 Lesson 2 Part 2 Grammar. It's a grammar review for our unit test. The first grammar point we're looking at today is the measure words. Measure words. In Chinese, a numeral is usually not followed immediately by a noun. Rather, a measure word is inserted between the number and the noun. So, example, 一个人, the number 一 and the noun 人. Usually in Chinese, you have a measure word 个, and 个 is the most basic measure word in Chinese. Another example, 一个学生, 一 is the number and 学生 is a noun. And in Chinese, remember, there's always a measure word. And also another example, 一个老师, a teacher, one teacher. 个 is necessary. 个 is the most basic measure word in Chinese. So usually if you don't know the measure word for the right noun, you just use 个. In this example right here on the right side, if we're talking about sheep, then we would say 四只羊 because 只 is usually used with the noun 羊, goat, or sheep. Other than going between the number and a noun, it often also goes between a pronoun and a noun. For example, 这个男孩, 这 means this. It's a demonstrative pronoun. Another example would be 那个男学生, 那个男学生, that boy student, that male student. The next grammar point that we're going to look at is the question pronoun. We learned several of them and we have a lot of them throughout the years. The first one, 谁, who, 什么, what, 哪, which, 哪, where, 几, how many. So it's very important that you know where to put these question words. Unlike English question words that always goes in the very front of the sentence, Chinese question word could happen anywhere in the sentence. So why? Because in a question with a question pronoun, the word order in Chinese is exactly the same as that in a declarative sentence, which means that however you want to say in a statement, you just replace whatever that you want to left out in the information and replace with the question word. Let me further delineate what I meant earlier. So, for example, we are looking at the question word 什么. This is my photograph. And if I want to make it in a question, this is not a question. This is my photograph is a statement. It's a declarative sentence. And it should be said like this. But if it's, what is this, then you get 这是什么. Okay, so if you're asking, what is this? And the answer will be, this is my photograph, then your question word will not go to the very beginning of the sentence like you would do in English. You will actually leave it where it was, where you meant for this information to be missing, and then you replace it with a question word. All right, one more example. So here it says in Chinese, the word order does not change whether it's question or statement. All right, you mainly just replace the missing information with the question word. This person is my dad. 这个人是我爸爸. So if we want to make this colored part of the sentence to be the missing information, saying who is this person, then it would be 这个人是谁. See, so 谁 replace 我爸爸. Now, how are we going to make this into a question? If this is the information. So my family have how many people, right? You will say in Mandarin, 我家有几个人. And that sounds weird. My family has how many people? I should know, right? So in a question, it would be, your family has how many people? 你家有几个人? Just use the question word to replace the missing information. The next grammar focuses on the word 有. Okay, so 有 means to have or has. And 有 is always negated with 没 instead of 不. In other words, you never say 不有. You always say 没有. So an example is 有 is always negated with 没, right? 王先生有弟弟吗? 王先生没有弟弟. It will be wrong if you say 不有. Now, the 有 can be the verb for indicating possession. However, 有 has another meaning. It has a sense of to exist. When it has that kind of meaning, usually we translate it to there is, there are. A very easy example is 我家有5个人. There are 5 people in my family. It no longer has the sense of possession. It means that there are 5 people in my family. A sense of existence. Last grammar focus of this video is we're going to look at the usage of 两 and 二. This one's 二 and this one's 两. We know that they both mean two. However, they are different when we use them differently. So, for example, we use 两 in front of a measured word to express a quantity. So, 2 people, 2个人 instead of 2个人, you use 两. Now, when do we use 二? We use 二 when we are in counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. In compound numerals, 二 is always used for the 2 on the last 2 digits. For example, 22. You don't say 22. And last 2 digits, 125. You don't say 125. Alright, that's pretty much the review for today. Good luck on your unit test.